Have you ever wondered if true peace, free from all stress, is really possible? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we uncover pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to your modern life. Last time we explored the second noble truth of Samudaya, identifying craving as the origin of suffering that drives the cycle of dissatisfaction. Tonight, we turn to the third noble truth, Nirodha, the cessation of suffering, to discover the profound peace the Buddha realized and taught. The Blessed One declared that dukkha has an end, a complete fading away when its cause is uprooted. This cessation is the total stopping of craving, leading to dispassion, liberation, and the unconditioned state of Nibbana. Nirodha is not annihilation or nothingness, but the peace beyond all conditioned phenomena, free from birth, aging, and death. The Buddha described Nibbana as the highest happiness, the ultimate goal where all suffering ceases forever. When craving fades, clinging fades, becoming fades, and the entire mass of suffering comes to an end. This cessation is possible here and now through insight into the truths, not in some distant realm or future life. The Blessed One emphasized that Nibbana is the cooling of the fires of greed, hatred, and delusion. It is the ending of the cycle of repeated existence, the supreme security from bondage. In the suttas, Nibbana is described as unborn, unoriginated, uncreated, unformed, the refuge from all that is born and formed. The Buddha's awakening was the direct realization of this cessation, the peace that surpasses all understanding. For us today, glimpses of Nirodha appear in moments when craving subsides and the mind rests in simple presence. When we let go of a strong desire without resistance, a taste of this peace arises naturally. This truth offers hope that complete freedom from suffering is attainable, not just a distant ideal. Nirodha shows that suffering is not permanent. It ends when its fuel, craving, is extinguished. The Buddha's teaching on cessation inspires confidence that peace is closer than we think. In daily life, noticing when craving fades. After a meal, a walk, or a breath reveals small moments of this cooling. These moments build faith in the path, showing that Nibbana is not separate from ordinary experience. The third noble truth reminds us that liberation is the natural result of seeing reality clearly. When greed, hatred, and delusion are abandoned, the heart is unbound and at peace. This cessation brings profound relief, like emerging from a long storm into clear sky. For modern minds burdened by constant wants, Nirodha offers the possibility of contentment without endless pursuit. The Buddha's realization of Nibbana demonstrates that true happiness is independent of external conditions. In the next episode on Aria, Dharma, we will explore the fourth noble truth. Magga, the noble, eightfold path leading to the end of suffering. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta and related texts at Sutta Central or access to insight-free, public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace, as the truth of Nirodha reminds us that the end of suffering is real and attainable. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. The third noble truth is timeless, showing that peace beyond suffering is the ultimate refuge. It encourages us to taste cessation in moments of letting go, building confidence in the path. Remember the Buddha's declaration of Nirodha, applying it when desires fade and calm arises naturally. This truth highlights that liberation is the cooling of all fires, fostering hope amid daily challenges. The teaching on Nibbana offers perspective on true happiness, reducing dependence on impermanent things. Through the Pali Canon, these insights remain accessible, supporting Western beginners in finding lasting tranquility. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time. And remember, the cessation of suffering begins with seeing the possibility of peace. May you find inspiration in this truth to cultivate release, leading to greater serenity in your own life and relationships. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Buddha's realization of Nirodha teaches us that freedom is the natural state when craving ends. His description of the unconditioned inspires courage to let go of what binds us. By reflecting on moments of peace, we strengthen faith in the end of suffering. This truth encourages compassion for all, beings seeking release from the cycle. The legacy of the third noble truth invites us to investigate cessation, paving the way for profound calm in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more peaceful and awakened existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore the fourth noble truth, the path to cessation. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The truth of Nirodha is a beacon for those seeking relief from repeated suffering, offering the promise of complete peace. The teaching on the end of craving shows that liberation is attainable through insight, not force. This insight can gently ease the burden of constant wanting, bringing freedom in ordinary moments. The Buddha's clear declaration reminds us that Nibbana is the highest bliss, accessible to all who follow the path. Through honest observation, we can experience glimpses of cessation, transforming daily life into opportunities for awakening. The third noble truth fosters humility and joy, helping us connect more deeply with the peace that is always possible. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to support your journey toward genuine inner calm. Thank you for your time, and may the truth of Nirodha bring gentle wisdom and peace to your heart today. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony.